I didn't even know that a technique like the acting center existed. And, I thought that's the only classic way, Meisner, and that those were the only way. And when I first came in here, I thought that's kind of what I was getting into. But when I got to see the class, I was blown away. It was just so different than what these other acting places and teachers were trying to push on me as like this was the only way, this is the right way to do it. The acting center just was very fresh and unique, more focused on creating this character and this art in this world rather than taking all this stuff and that never felt right and just kind of icky and not great to bring up and use. At my other acting schools, there was a lot of critique and a lot of expectations to do something a certain way. And if you didn't meet the expectation, you end up feeling not so great about your work. And the bottom line is, I feel like art and acting is subjective, and what you're creating can always be viewed as something that's great. Just because you didn't do it the way that the teacher had envisioned doesn't mean that it's wrong or that it's bad. It's just that this is the character, and that's what the acting center brings, is there's no criticism. You're in a very safe environment. You're basically just able to let your mind go and do whatever without being worried about being told no or being told that that's wrong or that's not how you do it. It changed me as an artist. I don't feel limited, and I don't feel like pressured to do something a certain way. And you can just like let yourself explore all these amazing things that you come up with and just see where it takes you. And it's way more fun, and it feels better, and it's just more exciting and easier to get more involved in. The acting center has improved my acting, that's for sure. It's given me more confidence in my acting. It's helped me not only with scene work, but with characters and creating characters and becoming characters, living as characters, like getting their view of the world and just really digging into characters and creating them and bringing them to life. When a casting director or somebody says, okay, well, that was great, we want to now try doing it with more anger, more this or that, you're instantly just like, oh, I do that in class. Like, okay, easy, no problem. Since you've done your research, you've learned the character in and out, you can become the character and see the world as they do, changing up something like, I don't know, saying something differently or feeling a different emotion, it just becomes second nature because you are that character. So getting a different direction, it's nothing. You just do it because you're that character. The acting center has definitely increased my my certainty with myself, and it's opened my eyes to a whole nother world of acting and has shown me what I'm capable of.